Welcome to an institution where creation knows no limits, where the unconventional is the norm. Welcome to a legacy, an identity, the proud INSDians by design. While the world is busy with numbers, we are the ones who choose an alternate way. The odd ones, the sore thumbs, the black sheep in a herd of whites, standing still in flowing waters, restless with crazy ideas, boundless in enthusiasm, limitless to the point of no return. We look at the world and see a million possibilities. We don't see reason. We don't count hours. We are here to create everything new. We are here to redesign the rules. We are here to shape the unknown. We are here to take this world to its next. INSD, a beacon of limitless possibilities, a celebration of the extraordinary, and a symbol of enduring credibility. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting today Pratibimb 2024, INSD Pune's annual fashion show. So sit back and enjoy the mesmerizing collection by our budding designers.